Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do face emoji tracking on Capcut. So if you want to add fun and expressive face tracking emoji to your videos like a pro, in this Capcut tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can track emoji to faces step by step. So let's just start by clicking on Capcut. Open Capcut application. And then you can just start by tap on the new project in here and choose the videos you want to edit. Here, let's say I want to use a video from Capcut library, dancing video that the face is totally visible on it. Let's try to use this one. Tap on add. Okay, so in here I want to use the video and I want to cover the face with an emoji. So I'm going to trim the video first so it doesn't take long to do the tracking. Let's say okay, 20 seconds. And now you can just use the sticker options to add the emoji. Click on a sticker and find the emoji that you want to use to cover the face. So for example, I'm going to go with this emoji right here. Click on a check icon and put the emoji on the face just like this. And to start tracking, so it move when the face move, you can use the tracking option. Don't forget to adjust the duration so it match with the video. Now click on the emoji, swipe on the tools and click on tracking. Now select the object to track, which is the face. You can just select the area so it match with the yellow area here. Okay, like this. And now you can tap on start tracking. Capcut will automatically detect the object so that the emoji will follow the movement of the object that you selected before. Just wait until this tracking process is finished. Okay, so now the tracking is completed and this is the final result. So whether you're making real, short or memes, this trick instantly boosts engagement and give your edits a fun, polished vibe. Thank you so much for watching. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more editing hacks. And don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye.